Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Fazle Rabbi. Welcome you all to the online class program of Abhazuddin Memorial School and College. In our last class, we had learned how to fill in the blanks, and today we will practice more examples. In my last class, I had told you to revise all the rules which I had given you in the classes. Without learning or knowing the rules of filling the blanks, you can't understand the solution of the examples. So, at first you need to know the rules very well. If you find my video unclear or obscure, you may take help from your model question book. You will find the examples there available. Let's know the meaning and the parts of speech of the words given in the box. First, eloquent. Adjective, bakpotu. Enlighten, verb, alokito kora. Darkness, অন্ধকার, noun. Choice, noun, পছন্দ. Learn, শেখা, verb. সেন্সিবিলিটি, সংবেদনশীলতা, নাউন. অ্যাওয়ারনেস, নাউন, সচেতনতা. পারপাস, উদ্দেশ্য, নাউন. ইন্টেলেকচুয়াল, বুদ্ধিসম্পন্ন, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ. হিউম্যান, মানবীয়, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ. অ্যাটেইন, অর্জন করা, ভার্ব. প্যারোকিয়ালিজম, সংকীর্ণতা, নাউন. Education is the process by which our mind develops through formal dash at an institution. Number A, here formal is an adjective. After it, you will have to use noun. So, which noun you will use in the gap? This is a matter of thinking. I would like to use learn here, but learn is not in its noun form. To make it noun, use ing after it, then it will be gerund, and every gerund is a noun. So, education is the process by which our mind develops through formal learning at an institution. You can't use learn here because the gap is for noun. You must use learning in the gap. It is mental and dash training. Look, here and has been used. Before and we have found an adjective, and after and we will have to use an adjective also. So choose the adjective from the box. It is mental and intellectual training. It provides opportunities of growth and helps to meet challenges to dash success. To plus verb base will make infinitive. To attain success. Moreover, the purpose of education is to dash an individual. To plus verb base will make infinitive. To of education is to dash an individual. Is to enlighten an individual. The aim of education is also to train individuals to make right dash. To make adjective, use noun. To make right choice, it ennobles our mind and refines our dash. After possessive case, you'll have to use noun. Our sensibility, it broadens our outlook and removes dash. Verb, after verb, you need to use noun as object. Removes parochialism, that means সংকীর্ণতা. It helps us to be dash of rights. After be, you may use adjective. It helps us to be aware. You can't use awareness because it is in the noun form. You need here adjective form. So make it adjective first. It helps us to be aware of rights and responsibilities. Education furnishes us with an dash in expressing truth. After an, you may use adjective, but after the gap, we have found preposition. So In this gap, we need to use a noun with an eloquence. You can't use eloquent. Make eloquent as a noun first. Education furnishes us with an eloquence in expressing truth. Therefore, it is compared to light which dispels the dash of ignorance. The gap of, in this gap, you will have to use noun must. It is compared to light which dispels the darkness of ignorance. You will get the answer in the next page. Let's start the question of Rajshahi Board 2017. First, know the meaning and parts of speech of the words call, verb, daka, nature, prokriti, noun, among, preposition, moddhe, serious, adjective, গুরুগম্ভীর, মারাত্মক। ডিফাইন, বর্ণনা করা, সংজ্ঞায়িত করা, ভার্ব। উইদিন, প্রিপোজিশন, মধ্যে। ডেথস, নাউন, মৃত্যু। ইকোনমিক, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ, অর্থনৈতিক। কজ, ঘটায় অথবা কারণ, দিস ইজ বোথ। It acts as noun and verb also. Armed, adjective, সশস্ত্র। Interpersonal, আন্তঃব্যক্তিগত, adjective. Aggressive, আক্রমণাত্মক, adjective. Conflict can be dashed as clash of value and ideas among other things. Conflict can be, here we have found this subject is passive because conflict is not working here. About conflict, information has been given here. So conflict here, passive, subject, and after can be has been used. It also proves the sentence is passive. So after be, you will have to use here V3 form. Conflict can be defined as clash of value and ideas among other things, and the most serious form of conflict is dash clashes that results in lots of dash and casualties. And the most serious form of conflict is dash clashes. Before noun, use adjective is armed clashes that results in lots of dash and casualties. Lots of, after of preposition you will have to use noun, and after and we have found noun also, so before and we will have to use noun. So the gap is for noun in lots of deaths and casualties. There can be conflict dash us. Here as objective form, here you can use preposition. There can be conflict within us, which is dash interpersonal conflict. Which is, here which is subject but passive subject. After is we will have to use V3, which is called interpersonal conflict. The conflict between or dash persons is called, the conflict between or, before or we have found preposition, and after or we will have to use preposition, and before noun we can also use preposition. So this gap is for preposition. The conflict between or among persons is called dash conflict. Conflict is noun, here we will have to use adjective. Conflict is noun here, and before it we will have to use adjective. Persons is called interpersonal conflict. Constraint of resources is also a dash of conflict. Before preposition you need to use noun, especially before of. Constraint of resources is also a cause of conflict, and it is known as dash conflict. Conflict is noun, here use adjective. economic conflict. Conflict is a very common phenomenon, but sometimes it takes dash forms here noun, so use adjective serious forms. You will get the answer in the next page. Now, October 2017. Let's know the meaning and parts of speech of the words. Poisonous, adjective বিষাক্ত. Refresh, verb সতেজ করা. Of এর preposition. Stern, কঠোর, adjective. Preserve, সংরক্ষণ করা, verb. By, preposition দ্বারা. Greatest, সর্বোত্তম, সবচেয়ে ভালো, সবচেয়ে মহৎ. It is the superlative form of the adjective great. Production, utpadon noun. B, am, is, are, was, were. Or it may be used as the verb. Or it may be used as a verb. Contamination, noun. Dushon. More, adverb, aro. Health, স্বাস্থ্য, noun. Food adulteration is one of the dash problems in the recent time in our country. After one of the, we may use superlative form of adjective. So use superlative form of adjective here. Food adulteration is one of the greatest problems in the recent time in our country. Different food and food products, vegetables, fruits and fishes are being passive sentence after being used V3. Fishes are being dash contaminated. You can't use contamination. Make it verb first and then V3 are being contaminated dash the unscrupulous and profit-monger businessmen and greengrocers. Here you have to use preposition by because it is a passive sentence. However, we the general people dash the victims. The general people here subject use verb. We the general people are the victims dash all sorts use preposition of all sorts of pangs and serious disease. The businessmen use dash chemicals. Chemicals is noun here use adjective. The businessmen use poisonous chemicals such as DDT, Aldrin, heptachlor just to make their products dash attractive. Attractive is adjective. Before it you can use more to make it comparative degree. So use more here to make their products more attractive or to dash them for a long time. To plus verb base will make infinitive to preserve them for a long time. So it is time the authority concerned took dash steps. Steps noun before it use adjective. Stern steps to stop such food adulteration. Proper monitoring, supervision and public awareness should be compulsory from dash level to consumers. Production level to consumers. Level is noun here. Before it you will have to use adjective, but production is not an adjective. But when a noun comes before a noun and works as an adjective, it is called noun adjective. So production will work here as noun adjective. You will get the answer on the next page. Dear students, that's all from me today. Keep studying at home, keep trying at home. In my next class, I will solve rest of the boards of 2017. Keep reading the writing parts of your syllabus at home. Till then, Allah Hafiz.